Okay, hello guys. Well, we're on a short little trip here. Make sure it reset. And yes, it did. Okay, so we're going on a little trip here. Heading up to the library. We're not going to the Weber Road branch. No, not going to Weber Road. I'm heading to Carondelet. Yeah. Because I roll like that. Yeah, in case, well, here's something a lot of people may not have known. Actually, about 90% of people don't know anything about this. Probably more than 90%. The libraries don't exactly broadcast this information, so most people are completely unaware of it. So, if you're a St. Louis City resident, or if you're a St. Louis County resident, or a St. Charles County resident, you can get a library card from all three of those counties. You can get a library card from the city of St. Louis, you can get a library card from St. Louis County, and you can get a library card from St. Charles County. And there's no charge. Well, there's a reason why there's no charge. Because the taxes collected from property owners, taxpayers, gets shuffled into a pool of money that's available for all three counties. St. Louis City, St. Louis County, and St. Charles County. All three library systems have access to this pool of monetary resources so that they can make purchases for their libraries. Basically, this gives all three counties the ability to buy more assets that they would not be able to purchase on their own, because everything goes into a pot. Everything goes into a pool, and all of the taxpayers of St. Charles County, St. Louis County, St. Louis City all contribute to this pot. And because of this, as a taxpayer, they are obligated and actually required to make available free library cards to residents of all three counties. So long as you don't have any felonies, so long as you haven't been convicted of felonies, so long as you're in good standing as far as that goes, you can get yourself 3 different library cards. Now there is one more little thing I need to tell you about. Kirkwood, the Kirkwood Public Library. By the way, there's 2 Kirkwood libraries. There's the St. Louis County branch called the Kirkwood Branch, and then there is the Kirkwood City Public Library. They're independent, but Kirkwood is a part of a library consortium called the Municipal Library Consortium of St. Louis County. And their members consist of Kirkwood, Valley Park, I believe Webster Groves, I don't know what that was about, but also I believe Rock Hill is a part of them. Let's see, who else is a member of that group? There's like 9 or 10 members of that consortium, I think. But Kirkwood is one of the lead members of it. And Kirkwood also offers, if you get a Kirkwood library card and you take out items from the Kirkwood branch, Kirkwood allows you to take requests out for like 3 weeks or 21 days at a time. Which is kind of nice. And I don't know what